Hey guys, are you wanting to get your brand on Twitter and run your own marketing campaign? Well, today in this video, we're going to run through how to set your goals, your audience, and talk about budgets. So let's get started. Hey guys, Geordie here from Neighbourhood, where we help brands find, sell, and keep their people. And today, we're going to give you the 411 on Twitter marketing and how to get started. Twitter is a social networking, news, and microblogging platform that boasts 326 million active monthly users that pump out an estimated 500 million tweets per day. Now, that's a serious number of tweets. With so many users on this growing platform, Twitter introduced Twitter ads to help businesses reach, understand, and engage their audience. So how do you use this new function? We've got you covered today. Firstly, you have to make a business account. Much like the other social media platforms, Facebook or Instagram, to start a personal or business account, you must first create a profile, set up a bio, profile picture, and then find brands and people you're interested in connecting with. Now you've got your Twitter account all set up and running. The second step is outlining your goal or objective for your marketing campaign. For example, building brand awareness, increasing tweet engagement, or building your follower base. Remember that your objective should be helping you reach your business's SMART goals. Twitter has a number of goal options you can choose from to help you run a successful campaign. You can check them all out in the link below. If you enjoy this video, make sure you subscribe and leave a like. And if you're on YouTube, make sure you hit that bell so you can stay up to date on all of our latest videos delivered every single week to your eyeballs. Next is testing and measuring your ads through Twitter's ad groups. As any marketer knows, measuring and testing your ads is a key to a successful campaign. Twitter's ad groups tool makes this task significantly easier with the ability to run ads simultaneously, targeting different audiences with different content and different budgets, all part of one central campaign. Using ad groups, you're able to see which of your content performs best and relocate your resources accordingly. The next step is to figure out who you are targeting. What's the point of creating a fire campaign when you have no one to share it with? When figuring out who your target audience is, you want to get a little bit specific. For instance, if you're aiming to increase the amount of 18 to 25-year-olds using mobile devices that live in Brisbane, that follow and engage with you, then that is exactly who you want to target. While being specific is key when targeting, don't be too specific that it only reaches one person. At the same time, I guess don't be too broad and target the entire planet. Unless that's exactly what you want, then go for it, I guess. You can target your audience by demographics like gender, age, location, language, device of choice, or income. Dig into your audience's personality a little. Target their likes, dislikes, what they talk about, their favorite movies, stuff like that. In other words, consider what your ideal customers' psychographics are. Once you've profiled your target audience, it's time to choose which content they're going to see. Make sure it's quality. Use your words wisely. With only 280 characters, you have to get to the point pretty quick. Make sure it will resonate with your audience. No point putting all this time, effort, and money if what you're promoting is rubbish. Now you've got your content ready to go, but you're a little bit worried about how costly Twitter ads will be. We've got you covered. The article in the description below, we've linked some resources to help you figure out how much you should be spending on campaigns. As a bit of a rule of thumb, if you're new to the Twitter game, then we don't recommend blowing the budget on your very first tweet. Start with just a small amount and test the waters a little bit so you can get a bit of an understanding of what works. More importantly, what doesn't work, and always look to improve your ads. Once you're confident in what you're doing, then it's time to ramp it up. If you found this video helpful, then feel free to share it with someone you know that needs a hand with their Twitter advertising. You can also subscribe to our blog where you'll find a bunch more tools, tips, and templates to help you find, sell, and keep your people just like Neighbourhood does. And that's it from me. Happy marketing.